Good morning, students. Students, welcome to your science class. I hope that uses of plants are clear to you. Now, let us read page number 27, Ways to Conserve Plants. Students, please open your books. Page number 27, Ways to Conserve Plants. Here, students, I will explain every point side by side. So, please listen to me very carefully. There are many ways in which all of us can help to conserve plants. The following are some suggestions for this purpose. Number 1. Let us not cut trees. We should use only those branches and leaves that have fallen down. Students, we should not cut trees at any cost. We must make use of fallen branches and leaves only. Number 2. We should promote afforestation, that is, planting of new plants. We should celebrate Van Mahotsav by planting saplings in the schools. Students, please shift to your page number 28. Neighborhood areas. We should also take full care of these saplings and let them grow into plants and trees. Students, here you all must know first of all what is Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is an annual 1 week tree planting festival in India which is celebrated in the first week of July. It was started in the year 1950 by Kanhaiyalal Maniklal Munshi by planting a tree at Rajghat, Delhi. Now I am showing you the picture of K.M. Munshi. See students, this is the picture of K.M. Munshi. And now see this picture when he planted a first tree at Rajghat, Delhi. Now I am going to show you different pictures where students are celebrating Van Mahotsav by planting the saplings. See. They are looking so happy. And please see this picture also. It is given on page number 28 of your books. See, the students are planting the saplings and celebrating Van Mahotsav day. They are looking so happy. Students, now next point is we need to save our forests and put a ban on deforestation, that is, cutting down of trees. There should be punishment for those who cut down trees. Students, in order to save our forests, we should put a ban on deforestation, and then there should be punishment for those who cut down the trees. Because removing trees can increase the temperature. Without trees, we lose the environment benefits they provide. Like trees give us so many things, and if we will keep on cutting the trees, then there will be scarcity of everything. Next is students, it can lead to issues with species extinction. Like students, when we take away the habitat where animals will live, most of the animals die or adapt to their new living conditions, which is very difficult. So many animals extinct due to deforestation like dodo, passenger pigeon, etc. Now next point is all of us should take steps to protect forests against forest fires. Students, first of all, you all must know what is the meaning of forest fires. Forest fires are large uncontrolled fires that take place in the forest. It is the burning of plants in a natural setting, such as a forest which consumes the natural fuel. It occurs in the forest because there is so much fuel to burn. Here fuel means trees. Now students, let us talk about the steps which can be taken to protect forests against forest fires. Number 1 is obey laws regarding open fires or campfires. Next is Whenever we are going out for a picnic, we should carefully dispose of hot charcoal. Then next is don't burn anything if it is too windy. Now students, let's talk more about forest fires. Students, you must have heard about the Amazon rainforest fire. It burned for more than 1 month. Students, about 20% of Earth's oxygen is originated from Amazon forests. That is why it was said that the Amazon, the lungs of planet, is on fire. Now I am going to show you the pictures of Amazon rainforest fire. Please see. Now let us talk about the latest forest fire, that is Australian bushfire. Students, Australian bushfire continued for 79 days. Now I will show you the pictures of Australian bushfire. See how it affects the animals. Just have a look. Many birds and animals are trying to adapt new living conditions, and many more bats and insects died in this fire. See, students, I hope that the chapter Importance of Plants is clear to you people. Now, please read page number 28 once again and try to know more about different ways to conserve the plants.